Oh, that's not right.
I'm in the mall right now. I got on the proper PPEs. There's a Sandstorm outside. You really can't see it right now. Dante's getting a phone card. But I got on the gas mask and I'm in the mall. Everyone's looking at me like I'm crazy. Take a look at that guy.
Hey.
All right, we're going to an ATM right now.
ATM, man, we gotta make this bill payment.
Okay. Listen. I'm watching you. Okay. I got the proper PPEs.
Hey, boy, you got your swatch right there, boy.
They got a lot of watches in here. What are we looking at? They got a couple different watches there. I'm walking through the mall in a gas mask. They're looking at me like I'm crazy. But I don't give a damn.
$5.
I'm in a sandstorm. Now, where this shit at, man? I'm trying to fucking ATM, dog. Everyone's looking at me like I'm crazy, but I don't care.
What's in here? Recharge. Watch out. Recharge.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. ATM machine.
ATM machine.
ATM.
Katie, cash.
Cash? No problem.
Katie. ATM? Yeah.
No problem.
ATM machine, sir.
Bank together.
Oh, he said the bank.
What the banking?
I just seen that shit. We're walking through the mall. I got on the proper PPEs. There's a sandstorm outside. Dante doesn't care about his life, but I do. Man, what the fuck, dog?
She be like them, huh?
They're laughing at me, but it's apparent that I look kind of like them. I don't understand what's so funny. Signing out.